Hi, in front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open this menu. Now swipe left on the screen to go to the next page and you should see the controls menu or shortcut menu. And here, as you can see, we have some icons, and right here at the bottom we have this sun icon, and we have different numbers. Let's go back to that menu. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, and basically we can change the screen brightness by tapping on the numbers right here to adjust the numbers. We have 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3, like this. And once you're done, you can simply press the middle button to go back to the watch face. You can also change the brightness through settings. So to do it, swipe left on the main screen a couple of times to scroll through the menu like this. Find the settings icon and tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. Here, scroll down, find the display option and tap on it. And right here we have the first option called brightness level. Tap on it and we can adjust the brightness by swiping or tapping on the slider right here. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to the menu, or you can press the middle button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.